Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration by partial fraction. So focus on the question, we have two parts, one for the left and one for the right. So kindly focus on the left hand side, where we have 1 over x multiplied with x squared plus 1. First, kindly check for the situation x squared plus 1. Is it possible to factor the situation? So if you press the calculator, we have the answer I. So it means that it cannot be factorized. So here we have x plus, we consider this one as quadratic factor because cannot be factorized. So the numerator will be a, then for this one it will be bx plus with the c. Kindly rewrite the situation. 1 is equals to a multiplied with x squared plus 1 plus with the bx plus c multiplied with the x. So here we have a, b, and also the c. In order to find a, eliminate the b and c for the same time, so x will be equals to 0. Next, continue. In order to find the b, we must eliminate the a and c at the same time. So that is impossible for the situation. Continue with the c. Is it possible to eliminate a and b for the same time? The answer is no, but we can eliminate the b. So x. So is it possible to eliminate the b and a for the same time? The answer is no. So what we have to do is to substitute any value other than 0. So let's say 1, and then for the b, let's say 2. So for the left hand side, we have a constant 1 for all the cases. If we substitute 0, so we will have a, which is equals to 1. Let's move on with the c. If we substitute 1, and we will have 2a plus, we have b plus with the c. Next, focus on the b. If we substitute 2, so we will have 5a plus 2b plus with the c multiplied with the 2. 1 is equals to 5a plus 4b plus 2c. Kindly substitute a is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to 5 plus 4b plus 2c. 1 is equals to 2 plus b plus with the c. So kindly simplify the situation. B plus with the c, which is equals to -1. Multiply the situation with 2. So we have 2b plus 2c equals to -2. Next, focus on this part where we have 4b plus 2c equals to -4. So we can see that this is the first equation, this is the second equation. What we can do is to eliminate the c. So the second equation minus the first equation. So 4b minus 2b, where we have 2b. 2c minus 2c, we will have 0. -4, -2. So we will have the situation -2. So b will be equals to -1. Next, kindly substitute the situation into the first equation, where we have 2 multiplied with the -1 plus with 2c equals to -2. So in this case, -2, focus on this part, we have -2 plus 2c. So c will be equals to 0. So finally, we have to rewrite the situation 1 over x multiplied with x squared plus 1, which is equals to a, where we have 1 over x, plus with the bx plus c, where we have the b, which is -1. So here we have -x over x squared plus with the 1. Next, focus on the second part, where we have to integrate the situation. So now we are going to integrate the situation. So first, ln x minus, where we have to make use of the substitution method, let u equals to x squared plus with the 1. So du equals to 2x dx. So kindly refers to this part, where we have x dx. So du over 2 will be equals to x dx. So kindly substitute. So integrate. Here we have negative. We have 1 over u du. Here we have 1 over 2. So ln x minus, we have 1 over 2 ln u. So kindly substitute ln x minus 1 over 2, we have ln, the u will be x squared plus 1. So where we have the limit, exponent to exponent. So kindly substitute the value. So here we have the situation. Ln, we have x over, we have the square root, x squared plus 1. So the value will be exponent 2, exponent 1. If we substitute, we will have ln exponent 2 over, we have square root exponent power 4 plus 1. If we substitute the exponent, so we will have ln exponent over square root, we have exponent square plus with the 1. So the meaning of minus is divide, so we have ln exponent square over square root of exponent power 4 plus 1 multiply exponent square plus 1 over exponent. So in here we can simplify the situation. So where we have ln exponent multiply with the exponent square plus 1 over square root of exponent 4 plus 1. So we may rewrite the situation as ln e plus ln, we have square root x squared plus 1 over square root x to the power 4, e to the power 4 plus 1. That will be the situation. So for this case, it will be the 1. Or the answer will be 0.0544. So that is the answer for this situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.